Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a melted snow tutorial. If I were to use acrylic versus I think dipping powder, which is I use S&S white dipping powder, I think it would have came out a lot better. And that's why I say melted, because it looks melted. So I am taking this, oh my god, what is this gel? It's one of the new ones. It's like the one that literally looks like snow. And you kind of lose a little bit underneath, I'm not gonna lie, just because I think it was an acrylic or a thicker powder. I probably could have done even the glow, but I thought the S&S would work great. And it is what it is. So go ahead and put this all over your nail, cure it. And then I'm taking one step, and this is so I can give myself a smoother surface. Again, I'm not gonna file this because I ain't gonna file, okay? No. So I take this and put it on, and then I just level it out, turning it sideways if I have to. I do flip it upside down to get that gel to kind of come to the middle, just like you would on a normal nail. And now we are going to come in and take Kira Sky's No Wipe Top Coat. And this is the key, no wipe, because we are going to double cure this after we dump and scrape away. I know it's a little bit out of focus, I'm sorry. So just applying a really good thick layer that's even. This is that white I'm telling you about. And it like instantly starts melting. So normally with acrylic, you would not see it like quote unquote melt, but you could see it right there. It's like starting to melt. So that's why I'm calling this a melted footprint or animal track nail or melted snow nail tutorial. So all I do is kind of come in, do a little bit of a circle, wipe off that little tool, come in again, making your little tracks. The problem is here is that it starts to go away like when I keep going, and again, that side is super melty, so I struggle a little bit, and then you'll see some of the other ones kind of fill back in. So just play with it, I think, to get the best results. You can see I'm trying the smaller one to scrape it away. Just play with it, or use acrylic, and it'll be so much better. But I do definitely still get the effect, but it's definitely more melted than I think I had anticipated. But I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching this. Sorry, this part's a little bit out of focus. All right, finishing up with that last little guy, and then we are going to do a double cure on this, and that's going to do it. That's how easy this tutorial is, and I like it, even though it didn't come out as I originally planned, but hey, that happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.